Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making bacon wrapped jalapeños, and here's just a time lapse of me putting them together. Very simple. Cut your jalapeno in half, take out the guts, add cream cheese. Oh, and don't forget, when you're pulling out the seeds, don't get it in your eye. Make sure to wear gloves if you don't want to touch your eyes later, and it's very bad. Anyway, so make sure to set your oven to 375 and cook them for about 25 to 30 minutes, just depending on how crispy you want that bacon. Okay, bye.